Good afternoon. Thank you for your flexibility. I am so sorry I wasn't able to be with you guys in class live today. It looks like the OLS problems are resolved now, but just not in time for our class today. So here is our while you wait problem. So go ahead and take a few seconds. You can press pause on the video, and you're going to determine from the number 29 which digit is in the tens place and which digit is in the ones place. And then for the second problem, it says Tori had 14 grapes. She ate some and had 8 grapes left. How many grapes did Tori eat? So go ahead and press pause and work on those two. And here we have our answers. So the tens place has a 2 in it. The ones place has a 9. For our word problem, Tori had 14 grapes. She ate some and had 8 grapes left. How many grapes did Tori eat? So we know, let's see if I can get my pointer here. We know that Tori had 14 grapes. She had 14. She ate some. That's the number that we don't know. That's our missing number, the sum that she ate. And then she's left with 8. So we know our answer. So the number we are missing is the 6. I solved that problem by starting at 8 and counting up to 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That gives us 6. Our warm-up for class today is to view the videos of the days of the week and the months of the year. You're going to find both of those video links in your email. Here is our number talk for this week. So our number talk says, how much does the triangle weigh? How do you know? Okay, so I want you guys to look down here. This one looks a little bit different than what we're used to seeing, but it's telling us the cylinder is here. Let me highlight that cylinder. I'm going to highlight it in blue. Here's our cylinder. And it weighs 7. See our 7 down here at the bottom? It weighs 7. So if we add the triangle to that, then it's telling us that both of these together weigh 11. Let me highlight that 11 down here. So both of these together weigh 11. And we already know the weight of the cylinder. We know that the cylinder is 7. Okay? So then we have to figure out how much the triangle is. Go ahead and press pause and take a few seconds to work that out. Okay, to solve this, I'm going to put a 7 here. And that tells us that what are we going to add to 7 to get to 11? So let's start at 7 and let's count on to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did you get 4? That triangle is 4. How much does the triangle weigh? 4. Today, we are going to be looking at the calendar. Here we have our I can statement. I can identify the months of the year, identify the days in a week, and read and interpret a calendar. Here are our days of the week and our months of the year, and I want you guys to notice that the days of the week begin on a Sunday. So every time we have a new week, it begins on a Sunday. And the months of the year, the months begin in January. So it is a perfect time for us to cover calendar because we just changed to a new year. We were in December and now we are in January and our year changed to 2018. I've got that here. Let me highlight it for you. 2018. That's our current year. Practice saying that for me. 2018. You will see this document attached to your email. So here are some fun ways for you to practice saying the days of the week. You can say them low in a whisper. You can say them in a loud voice. You could say them nice and tall like a soldier. You could say them while swimming. Move your arms around like you're swimming. Squeaky like a mouse. Squeaky like a mouse. while raising the roof. You have to take your hands and raise them up to the roof, or like a cheerleader, you got to put some claps in there when you're a cheerleader. Let's go ahead and say the days of the week here. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Here we have our same choices for how to practice, but these are the months of the year. So I want you to choose a few different ways to practice saying the months of the year. Let's go through these together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Here we see a calendar for the current month, the month that we are in right now, which is January 2018. And I want you to notice that the month starts on Sunday. The week's over here on Sunday. The month doesn't start on Monday, but the week starts on Sunday, okay? And then we go to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start back over with Sunday. So the last day of December was on a Sunday. So the first day of January is going to start on a Monday. I'm going to give some directions to do on this calendar, and you have a choice. You can find these and point to them with your finger for me, or if you chose to print out this calendar, then you can draw these on there as we go, okay? So I'm going to read something, tell you to do it, and you can either find it with your finger or you can draw that on your calendar that you have. Okay, here is the first one. Draw a yellow circle on the first day of January. Draw a yellow circle on the first day of January. Again, you can identify that with your finger, let your learning coach check, or you can draw it if you chose to print that out. The second one, draw a green triangle on the first Tuesday of the month. Draw a green triangle on the first Tuesday of the month. Here's the third one. Draw a blue square on the second Sunday in the month. Draw a blue square on the second Sunday in the month. Number 4, draw a purple triangle on Wednesday, January 24th. Draw a purple triangle on Wednesday, January 24th. Number 5, put your finger on Thursday, the 25th. Put your finger on Thursday, the 25th, and draw a red circle on what would be tomorrow. Draw a red circle on what would be tomorrow. Put a red circle on the last day of the month. Put a red circle on the last day of the month. Go ahead and put your finger on Friday, January 19th. Friday, January 19th. Now find yesterday. So if you were on Friday, January 19th, go back to find yesterday and draw a blue triangle there. Anna's birthday is on May 21st. Oh, I'm sorry, not May 21st, January 21st. Anna's birthday is on January 21st. Draw an orange balloon there. Number 9. Put your finger on January 11th. We are going to go to the park in 3 days. So count forward 3 days and draw a slide. Good job. I'm going to show you what your answer key should look like. Okay, there we see our answer key marking all the dates. We are missing some of our days in order. So everywhere that there is a line, I'm going to highlight those lines yellow for you. We need to fill in the missing day. And you'll see the word bank is over on the side. It's got our words listed for us, our days of the week. We'll go through those. There's Thursday, Sunday, Friday, Tuesday. Which day should go on the lines? Fill in those lines. Today we reviewed the months of the year and the days in a week, and we read and interpreted a calendar. What I want you guys to do for me is choose about 3 or 4, maybe even 5 different ways to practice those days of the week and the months of the year. And it's kind of like when we were learning skip counting. It's just something that you just have to practice. So choose some times that you can practice saying those in order. Learning coaches, it's a good idea for the days of the week and the months of the year if you have them written so that they can match the word with how it sounds. Those are good sight words to be working on for math, okay? I would like for you to complete the survey that came in the email with your video. Watch the 2 videos of the days of the week and the months of the year, and you can complete the calendar activity along with the video, okay? I'll see you guys. Let's see. I will not see you guys next Monday because it is a holiday. The 15th is a holiday, so we won't have class next Monday, and I'll put that reminder in the email as well. So I will see you guys the next week, okay? So be looking for some emails to come from me with some information about that. I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys for being so flexible. Bye-bye.